Good day. So back to kombucha, day 28, and I know I said I would check it on day 21. Day 21 came and left. I got really busy, but I knew that 28 days is where I like it. And as you can see, the Scoby has doubled in size, and even the mother down below has doubled in size. So, and you can see all the little bubbles. So let's get this in our second ferment. So the second ferment is carbonation, and you can use fruit juices, no high acid fruit juices like orange juice, but peaches and plums, or you can even add fruit to it to give you your second fermentation, which will give you some bubbly. Now what I do is I give it a little teaspoon per liter, and what you want to do is get a very good container, such as these guys right here with the nice lids on them. So very simple, 2 scoops is all I put in there. And we're going to add our liquid into there. Now on another video we will do the Scoby Hotel. This is very simple, and as long as I don't do what I normally do and overfill it, you'd be okay. Now the one thing you got to keep in mind is you've got to leave some of the tea, some of the kombucha in there for the mother to survive. It can't just live on the sweet water alone. Now normally you could give a lot less, and I'll probably take some out, but it's that simple. Just add your sugar, add your fruit juices, seal the lid up, and let it sit for about 7 more days, and you will have very carbonated kombucha. And I actually have some I can show you. Alright, so when you, on your 7th day, when you open this, you open it in the sink, put down downward pressure, flick the bottom up. You hear that bubbly? It smells really amazing. See all the nice bubbles. This has a very delicious flavor. So that's the second ferment right there. It's kind of sweet, but very, like I said, very delicious. You can see all the bubbles. And what you'll do with this is, like in the first video, make yourself 4 cups of tea with the tea bags and everything. Go back and I'll tag it on the comments, and let it cool down, really cool. Put it in there, and then top it off to the top with more water, and let it sit 21 days, and then you just continually do the restart on it. So there you go. If you like what you see, please like, follow, comment, share, and tell a friend. Keep your head on a swivel, stay safe, and I will do the next video on a Scoby Hotel.